And we are back, and we have another great one. This one's even better. This is the best one so far. Not just because the pool reward is almost at about half. Well, not pool reward, sorry. My reward compared to the pool reward. It's not at about like 1/3 as to where this was. And like this is. So $10 to $30. This, we're almost at about half now. This is looking great. It might have been because of the discount. Actually, no, it wasn't. 4.5. 4.5. Okay. But, this week, or should I say last week, we hit a personal reward. We had a personal one of 354, technically 355, we'll call it, GMT. So about 140 USD. Now I'm in Canada. So if we add the 140 with our $50 reward, that's at about $260. So that's a pretty damn good reward. And I got pretty lucky because this is on a 2x block. So I guess if it was just on one, it would only be $70. But just imagine if I got it on this, the 128 block that my my pool got. If I were to get that, 70 times 128, I believe is about 8,960. That would have been an insane hit. But this right here, .557 Bitcoin is about $5 USD or $7 Canadian. So that's pretty good. That is pretty good. So every week now I'm going to be uploading a video just on the pool rewards, showing any personal rewards I got or any extreme big blocks. The only biggest one I've seen so far was a 64 block, but this 128 takes it out of the box. I believe there is a 256. Not 100% on that. Not 100%, but there could be a 256 block. Imagine getting that on a personal. Oh my god. Oh my god. That would be insane. That would be absolutely insane. That would be like $18,000. That's USD too, and I'm Canadian, so that would be like, 25 plus for me. That'd be pretty damn amazing. But yeah. If you haven't started mining yet, I would get into it now. I would get into it now. It's at a perfect time. I will leave my my referral code in the description. But before I go, I'm gonna activate my discount, so it's using my GMT to pay for the electricity and service fees, so that way I get the whole reward. So we're gonna activate this, set up maintenance right here, get up to 20% discount, so that's an extra 20% as well, so it saves 0.10 less maintenance each day, but hey, each percent is worth it. So we're gonna activate this right now, just like that. And with that, we have a pretty nice 2%. Now I've yet to get back into this since they've updated it like this, so I'm not exactly sure how this is gonna work out, but so I have 39 days of maintenance. Okay, that works with me. That works with me. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. By 3,000 GMT, get 20% discount. Man, I really wish I got that 128 now. I wish I got that 128 on this personal. We got an extra 20% discount. Actually, if anything, I probably would have just exchanged half of it for Bitcoin and put it into my cold wallet. But either way, that was a good week last week. Until the next week, have a good one.